the Redbirds. And popped out. Strike him out here. Here you go. Pitch. Outside. Ball 4. Strike 3, and they get out of the inning there. And strikes him out. Nasty pitch from Christian for them. And strikes him out. Strikes up the side. Nice pitch. Go. Pitch. Smashed. Over St. Ted. And for a single. There we go. Great hit by Christian. Dig up to the plate. Good piece. And safe at third. Jeff trying to get out of this. And a nasty pitch there, getting out of the inning. Oh, smashes it. Oh, over. And a safe. Second. The leadoff double there. Here we go. Wait, he posted that one? Smoked. Jack. And drops. Over Joey's head. Going home. Not in time. Jack on 3. Safe. Safe. Move the 1-0 count. Pitch. Smoked. And it's not. Oh, and I thought that was out off the wall. Off the top of the wall. Double. 2-0. Pitch. Way outside. Pitch. Jack smokes it. Off the first base line. And stays it for a single. RBI double for Jack. Gonna get out of this and starts at the first team. Smoked. High. Caught. Corner tags. Run scored. Good piece of. And mix. He was out on that play. Had him out. Go. Game on. Hit. Fielded nicely. Not in time. As Christian gets a single. I'm not checking. That's not. Crushed. And a nice catch from Connor. For Joey. Popped up. Dropped. Safe. He did not hit him. And Joey gets a triple. Pitch. Stroked. And goes in for a single. Sign not to try him. Trying to advance a runner to get some more runs. And strikes him out. And the Nukes are challenging. After review, it was strike 3, batters out. Did that strike?
No.
Oh, did I hit your hand? Well, ball 4. The pitch. And high. Struggling to find the strike zone here. Pitch. Jack smushes it.
Go home.
And it lays in there for a single as it hits the wall. 2-run score. 2-0 Redbirds. Pitch. And swinging a miss. Strike 3. And good eye. Ball 4. And hit. And they get out of the inning there. No trouble. Pitch. Crushed high. And Joey calls off Nick and drops it. Christian Wood, here we go, the pitch. Crushed. High. And that's out of here. 2-run shot for St. Hilaire. What a shot. That was crushed. And the Redbirds advance their lead to 8-0. And 4-0, and he walks him on 4 pitches. Here we go. Yeah. Smokes that one up the middle. No plays. Goes in there for a single. Man on first and second and first. Oh, and that's smoked. Another one back to back. 3-run shot. And they advance their lead to 11-0. Oh my God. Second home run. And that was a shot.
Not leading the league in home runs.
Here you go, the pitch. Low. Ball 4. Long inning here. Popped up and caught. 1-0. You go back to back to back here. And he grounds that one. And an error there. High, ball 4. Grounder, fair. And he misses them. Mercy the inning there. Same pitches, 2-2. Hit up and lines out. Diving catch from Jack. What an amazing catch there. Outside, ball 4. Has he there, ball 4. Pitch. Popped up, down first, and he's got out at first. They get out of the inning here, 12-0. Pitch. Smoke. Caught. Lined out, good catch from Nick there. You can't talk back to the ref, you're throwing it out. And a single, here we go. And safe. 3. And makes it third. Smoked! It dies in the air and drops down for a single. Outside, ball 4. And smoked. Safe. Out. Yeah, it's out anyway. And ball 4. And ball 4. 3-1. And ball 4. Bases juiced here for Joey. Here we go, the pick. Hits it. Strike 3. High, and he walks. 13-1 here. And Jack's coming in to close out the game.
The max is 45 miles an hour. The speed limit's 35. That's not even that fast. The speed limit's 45 miles an hour.
Win the series is down here. Here you go.
Yes.
Swing and a miss. And they get out of it. Foul. Yeah, that's fair. Fair, fair. Here, no, you have to stay at second. You have to stay at second. It's a dead ball. It's all the way over there. You have to stay at second.
It was right there. You can't call foul and then what?
Pitch. Ball 4. Ball 4. Bases juiced. High. Ball 4. 1-run score. 1-0 Nukes. Strike 3. 1 out. Ball 4. Struggling here. Jack trying to get out of this pickle. High. Here you go, 2-2. Strike 3. Oh. Ball 4. Here you go, 3-0 count. Ball 4. Walks the last 2 batters. All short games next week. Check that out. And that is crossed for Jack. 3-run shot as it's still tied up. 3-3. Smushed and caught. And they get out of the inning tied 3-3. Strike 3. Get him. Caught him swinging there. Full count. Ball 4. And Jack smokes it. Oh! Jack goes 3. It gunned him. Double play. Fair. Only stay 2. You can only stay 2. You have to stay 2. You have to stay 2. You have to stay 2. And strike him out. Popped up. And Nukes regain the lead. 4-3. Here we go, 2-2. Struck him out, and they get out of the inning. Smoked. And it's caught by Christian. What a cat. What a play. What a play. In the series. Struck him out. Okay, they're challenging.
That was the sound of the ball hitting the zone. No, it wasn't. I heard that.
Okay, we're going to challenge. He is out. He did not tip the ball through camera evidence. He is out. Nukes win.